Hello everyone. In this series of videos, I'm just going to be going through some exercises in a textbook that I have. And I'm not going to name the textbook, but I'm just going to go through them. And I might not even do them the right way that the textbook wants, but I'm going to do them in a way that works. So we have this debugging exercise from chapter 1, so DebugOne1, and it's using C#. So we have a few issues here. The debugger in the IDE helps you out quite a bit. So this one is the right line does not exist because it's not spelled correctly. It is case sensitive. I need an uppercase L. The next thing is a semicolon expected. Make sure you put that in there. Semicolons are expected at the end of every single statement in C#, not a header, but a statement. And because it's not case sensitive, you can have it, kind of sideways like that, but I like to have mine in order. So the next thing we're going to do is this closing parentheses is expected. Now I could do it here, but that's not right. So we need to take out that extra parentheses. There we go. And here we need to have a closing double quote. And that should fix it. Let's run it. And we get the output that we expect, so that's fantastic. We fixed all the syntax errors. The syntax errors are the ones that would cause it not to work. So if I go back and I try to run it, just like it said, it's not going to run. It has some errors, so I don't get my output. All right, let me know if you have any questions on this one, and we'll see you in the next video.